In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your backup. So for example, if you reset your computer, you did your backup through the time machine, I'll show you how to restore your backup back to your computer. First thing we need to do, we need to shut down our Mac. We can click on this little Apple logo and then click on shut down. And while it's shutting down, we need to plug in our backup into our computer. Once your computer is shut down, we need to power back up. And while we're powering back up, we have to hold Command and R for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and then we can let it go. And now we just have to wait until it's going to boot into macOS utilities. Once you boot it into this screen, now over here, we need to click on Restore from Time Machine Backup, and then click on Continue. Click Continue again. And now it's going to search for it. And now we just have to choose backup and then click continue. And then this is the backup that I recently did a couple days ago. So this is the most recent one. If you're going to have more backups, you're probably going to have more, but I have only one. So you choose that and then you click continue. And then you have to choose where the destination is going to be. So I'm just going to choose Mac HD and then click restore. And basically this message is just telling you that everything is going to be erased and the backup is going to be restored. So we need to click on erase disk. And now it's erasing and it's restoring your backup back to your Mac OS. Once the restore is complete, it restarted your system and now it's booted back up. Now you can log in and you'll have all your data back on your computer. And now right here, you can create Apple ID. I'm gonna skip that for now. Just gonna click Setup Later. I'm gonna click Skip. And that's it. Mac backup data is restored. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.